found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Shorty, what you? What is? Banty foot? What? Banty foot? They say you have it. It's a good girl. IP, watch ya. Hot girl summer.
Hot girl summer.
What you mean? Come on, let me see your face now, girl. Come here, son.
Hey, pop you know.
Come. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. You don't know you're gonna make a Skylife in the building. Yo, how are them? So I am working out on this hill behind me. I'm still you can't see it. How much is that? On this hill, go over one common circle. I'm actually finishing up now. I'm gonna do some skips down so, and then finish off with my workout. I'm gonna work out heavy today because I didn't have like a lot of food to eat. I'm gonna drop down. I don't really feel hungry. I don't know if I detox tea. So earlier I did have some bacon and saltfish, white rice. That's about 12 o'clock. Now at 6, going to 7. And I drink one, I eat one Regal and what? Tywayne, where you up? I eat one Regal and drink water and take my detox tea. So I'm not hungry. That's it for me for the night. I'm doing intermittent fasting, so yeah, that's that. This is where I'm gonna work out. I'm working out in the jungle. Just remember, can't go skip. Then me I go jump out of space. Me can't go body G. Tell me me can't go skip. I have to go and put on my sports bra. Tell you. Hold it. You see me?
Yeah.
Back up.
Back up.
You see me good?
No.
You not see me? You see me? Tywayne, have you seen me?
What time myself me I see? Oh yeah.
Sure.
Skylife video.
Voila.
Yeah. Yeah. Big Skylife Melica. Put your back in it. I just said it. Put your back in it.
Just a little more. Go on again. Put your back in it. Just a little. One more try. One more. Put your back in it. What's the dancers?
What's that?
Put your back in it. Just a little more. Put your back in it. Just a little more. Put your back in it. Skip now.
One more.
Get it right. Go on. 1, 2, 3. High. 4, 5, 6, 7. Jumping in the jungle. You tired? Alright, rest.
Oh yeah! Go Melissa! Go
Scott with you on my back. You flat around your foot. Ready?
Yeah.
1,
2, 3, 4,
tired.
5.
Hey boy. Hold on. Come down now. You kill me. Bend over back. tomorrow we'll come back down here. Done. Tired. You see if I break your neck down here? Come let me try and do that Tywayne. Me can't do it too, you know. Hold this.
But you
Turn
can't
on.
walk by your hand.
Hold that. Hold it, you know. I'm gonna do it now. You ready?
Yeah.
Try my shoes lay. Yeah, come.
Lord, me press it.
Ready? Don't press it, already press. No, no! I said that hard!
Both of us also. Also.
Hey boy, don't run with me now! Let's do one more.
Yeah.
Hold on, you know.
Yeah, record.
Hold on, put your foot together. Over. No, Tywayne, a long way more to say. Long way. Put your hand them out there, so. Stretch out your hand then. Stretch out your hand. Ready? Stretch out your hand straight. Stretch out your body. Come on, our front, Kevin.
Huh? Show our friend.
Come on, our front. Stretch out your foot, them Tywayne. Stretch out your hand together. Yeah. Done with you. So guys, this is the end of my little video working out in the jungle. Please remember to
Like,
subscribe
and share. Skylife TV.